මේක plug එකයි පුළුවන් නම් ගන්න. Hello, I hope you all can hear me. Now, good evening to all of you. Good evening to all of you. I hope you all can hear me now. Let's start our session for today. So, y'all have to take your writing books now. හැමෝම පුතේ ඔයාලගේ writing book එක විතරක් ගන්න අතට just take your writing book. Today we are going to discuss questions. These printed copies are not with you, so you all have to write the questions in your book and write the answer as well. Okay, question එකත් ලියන්න ඕනි පුතේ අද අපි answer එකත් ලියන්න ඕනි. Right? This is a practice. මේක practice එකක් හැටියට තමයි අපි කරන්නේ. So these questions, first of all, take the writing book and get ready for the lesson.
No, teacher.
Yes. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. Do you have any question? මේ printed copy එක පුතේ ඔයාලා ගාව නැහැ. ඔයාලා මේක අද ඔයාලගේ writing book එකට copy කරගෙන එතන තමයි answer එක ලියන්න ඕනේ.
This one, green color book.
Okay? You can take your CR book with that means it's blue color one. One that means CR. Okay.
We don't teacher.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Yes, darling, what do you want to know?
Yeah, there is.
Take the writing copy.
Light
Then
blue.
I will tell you what you want to do.
Teacher, light blue.
I hope you all have the CR book, the writing copy,
This one.
blue color one. Is that with you?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, I can hear you.
Which one?
Teacher, which
Yes, Hiroshi, you want to take your writing book. Writing book එකක් ගන්න පුතේ ඔයාලගේ මොනවාම හරි අපි writing වලට ගන්න book එකක් ගන්නකො it doesn't matter.
Teacher, is this one?
I can't see you.
The light blue color one, teacher.
Oh, whatever the book, then take CR book or whatever the book. Take your writing book now. Book එකක් ගන්න පුතේ writing වලට ගන්න. Hello. පුතා ඔය books නෙවෙයි printed books නෙවෙයි අපි ලියන notes ලියන books තියෙන්නේ පුතේ අන්න ඒව තමයි ගන්න ඕනේ. Notes ලියන books තියනවා නේද? අපි pencil එකේ notes ලියන්නේ.
Purple colors one.
Ah, that's right.
That's dark blue one.
Yeah, exactly that one. That is the CR book that you all are using for your using to write notes. All of you should take that. All of you should take that book. Have you all got the book? හැමෝගාම දැන් book එක තියනවාද? That is your writing book.
Yes.
Okay, now turn to a new page. අලුත් page එකකට turn කරන්න පුතේ. all of you turn to a new page.
Teacher.
Yes, Hiroshi.
Teacher, I can't hear.
Yes, Hiroshi.
Okay.
Yes. Do you have any question?
Teacher, I can't hear.
Now can you hear
Teacher,
me?
I can't hear.
Can you hear me now?
Now I can.
You know, right?
can you hear me, Nurek?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Yoshel? Yoshel, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, now let's start the lesson for today. So today onwards, we are going to practice in the tests that we did at the class. Class එකේ අපි කරපු ඒවා ටික දැන් practice කරන්නයි තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. ඔයාලා ගාව මේ printed books නැහැ. You don't have these printed books. Now we are going to write these questions in your book. And what we do? මොකද කරන්නේ? We are going to write the answer for each question. So let's start to write this. මුලින්ම පුතේ book එකේ ඔයාලා reading and writing part 1 කියලා ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. So that is the first one you want to write. Reading and writing part 1. ඒක ලියා ගමු නේද හැමෝම? This one you want to write? Reading and writing part 1. Have you finished?
No, teacher, wait.
Okay, all of you should write reading and writing part 1. So we are going to practice reading and writing part 1 today. So I hope you all have written the topic. Right? Shall we write
Teacher,
the
I have right.
Okay, now we are going to write these questions in your book. First of all, I will read this. This helps you find the right road. Now, write the first question in your book. මුලින්ම පුතේ question number 1 එක ඔයාලා ලියා ගන්න ඔයාලගේ book එකේ. This helps you find the right road. Can you see? I hope you all can see that. This helps you find the right road. That is the first question. Write the first question, copy the first question into your writing book.
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Yes, write the questions. Copy down the questions into your
Teacher,
writing
I
copy.
can't hear you very well.
About now, can you hear me? Umayangana? Umayangana, can you hear me now? Hello? Hello, Mayangana, can you hear me?
Hello.
Write this question in your book, please.
Write this question in your book, please. This helps you find the right road. Yes?
නෑ මගේ unstable.
Now can you hear me, Futa? All of you? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now write down these questions in your writing book. Have you finished? Right. What about now? Can you all hear the teacher? පුතදැන් teacher හැනවද හැමෝටම?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear the teacher now?
Please tell me. Could you please tell me? Can you hear?
Teacher හැනවද පුතේ?
What is this? Okay, please write down these
Yes.
questions in your book. Please write down these questions in your book. මේ question එක මං කියන එක ඇහෙනවද පුතේ ඔයාලට දැන්?
Yashel, can you hear me? Yashel? Yes, Umayangana, can you hear me now? Umayangana to hello then. පුතේ ඇහෙනවද හැමෝටම? Hello, Umayangana. Can you hear me? Please unmute your microphones and tell. Unmute your microphones and please tell me, can you hear me?
Hello. Connecting my phone.